Hello, you're welcome back to Custom Venture. We're learning sewing tips. Today we are in the decoration corner. Okay, today I want to put us with tie. We can tie this flower usually for the backdrop, just have as roses. After tying it, I will show us how we're going to fix it for a backdrop. Okay, follow me as we go. So we'll be needing this fabric, the shaking type we use now. I'll be sewing this. This is a plain color. I will do plain color for us, and I will do mixture. Okay, so that you can be creative. And then I will be needing this ribbon to tie it. And of course, the second flower, I'm still going to use this ribbon to make the flower, something like this. And of course, I need my tape rule. Okay, I need my scissors. Okay, let's go. Usually it depends on how big you want your flower to be, but I'll be using 1 yard. This is a yard, and then okay, you look at it, this is a yard. So it depends on how you want your flower to be full. Like this one is the measurement of 10 inches long. If you want it not to be as big as this, you can reduce your own size. If you want it to be wider, but the longer it is, you might not really get the shape of it. So it's better it's minimized, it's not too long, so that it will fit very well. Okay, this is a yard of the fabric. So let's go. We pick the edges. The edges is the one that has the lace edges. We go this way. Okay. So let me go with 9 inches measurement. 9 inches measurement. That is, okay, let me measure before I fold it. 9 inches measurement. Because of the lace edges, let's make it 10. Okay, I make it 10. So to be on the safer side, so that I will know where my 10 stops, I pin it just to make a sign. Okay, so and then fold it this way. Okay, then having folded it this way, this is where my 10 is. Look at it. So let me remove my pin now. Okay, so I fold it this way. It has to be the side to it, side of it. Go this way. Go this way. That's how you go throughout the material. I've completed my folding. You can see it. So I tear part of this ribbon to tie it. Tie it in the middle and make sure it's very firm. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to give us thumbs up, share our video, drop a comment. I want to hear from us how it has been helpful. Okay, I haven't tied it. Now look at the way I go, step by step. You pull it out, make sure it's all out. Okay, pull each of them out. Each of them should be pulled out. The two sides, that's one side are pulled out. Go to the second side. Okay, pull them out. Lovely. And you can see your rose is set. Can you see it? Can you see it? Isn't it beautiful? Fine. Okay, we can do the next one like that. We can do the green one. But instead of doing the green one, let me combine the two colors for us, and let's see how it will be. Okay, let's go. For the double color, okay, for the double color, we just go the same way, fold it the same way. It's the same way, we fold it. Okay, we still go with our measurement. Let's make use of our measurement, the 10 measurement, the 10 inches. Okay, this I do part of what I do for a living, decorating backdrop of churches, for birthday party, for wedding ceremony. Okay, so we have gotten our 10 inches measurement. So now look at this way to go this way. We go this way. We go this way. You know, the green is coming back to this place. And the pink comes to the pink side. And so you continue that way. You can see this one is fuller, so you have to need something stronger to tie it. Still tie it the same way. Use something stronger to tie it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate every subscriber, and from time to time we appreciate your effort in taking time to watch our video. Okay, you can see now, so we go the same way. Pull it out. You know there are two colors now. Okay, so this one now, the greens are this side, so you pull your pink to this side. Okay, that's the same way. Pink here, so let green go there. Oh, it's beautiful. It's coming out beautiful. Then this way, still arrange, change the colors. Can you see it's forming a spiral kind of shape? You know, this one comes this one comes this way, this one comes this way. Just spread it as much as possible. Bring it out. The more you bring it out, the fuller it will be. Can you see how it has formed? You can use it to decorate either the backdrop or anything you want. Can't you see? It's beautiful. Thanks for watching. So the next thing we are going to go to the use of the ribbon. Oh, can't you see it's beautiful? Lovely. How you can use the flower or the rose, as you call it, decorator. I use pin to hold it there. Of course, you can see the other ones too. Thanks. Be creative and do your own.